take a deep breath and let go. If you've never meditated before, it can be a little overwhelming. There's so many different types of meditation, there's so many teachers, there's so much wisdom and words and techniques. The best way to start meditating is by building up your concentration. And the way that we do that is by focusing our attention on an object in the present. We do this by noticing the breath, noticing sensations in the body, noticing sounds, noticing thoughts, and then when our mind wanders, which it always will, we gently redirect it back to the object of the present, whatever that may be. This is the basic foundation of meditation, and it's really quite simple. Anyone can do it. So just sit here for another moment. Notice your next breath as distinctly as you can. You might open yourself up to sounds happening around you. You might feel sensations in your body. Inevitably, as we do this, the mind will become absorbed by a thought or a memory. That doesn't mean you failed in your meditation. It just means you're human. It's what you do when you notice your attention has wandered that makes this a practice of meditation. So noticing the mind has wandered and gently redirecting it back to the breath, back to the sounds, back to the sensations, all with a sense of kind curiosity. We're really exploring our minds, strengthening our focus, our concentration. This is what meditation is. You're doing it right now. Thank you for practicing with me.